The Great Retirement is essentially our industry's aging out.
Our talent pool is retiring at a rapid clip.
With the Great Retirement and people leaving, there's just going to be more and more job openings. And I think it's going to allow younger people, but also women, to just step into those roles in big ways.
I don't know what year it was coined, but there was a term in our industry called pell-mell instill, which meant it was mainly white and mainly men that were old. Every year I keep saying, are we inching closer to making it not pell-mell instill anymore? And the answer is very little.
The average age of a service person, account manager in this industry is 45.
The average age of an agency owner, the last time I saw a statistic, was 57.
The majority of us now in this industry are 59, 60, 61. We're going to be, laying on the beach in Mexico, and we need somebody to take our positions.
This is a good thing for women in the industry because it's positioned us to get more talent just outside of the line of sight that we're in.
The insurance industry is female dominated in certain jobs. So women compose more than 50% of the jobs within the industry, but we compose a very small percentage of leadership.
There's still not a lot of women in the upper management, less than 20%.
That is the part that I think is so intriguing, is trying to figure out how to get women to take that step in leadership in the components of those top jobs, whether it be a CEO or a VP of a company.
Young women in this industry have an amazing opportunity. It's an exciting time because there are so many of us that are going to be retiring in the next 5 to 10 years, and we do need people to come in and take our positions.
I feel like women in the insurance industry have really evolved over the course of the past few decades.
Women have a really good intuition and gut.
What don't we add? But in all seriousness, women approach situations from multiple lens points and multiple points of view.
We bring those feelings and we bring it to our advantage in regards to seeing things that may not be seen because we're in touch with that. We're in touch with our feelings, we're in touch with our gut, and we're willing to put ourselves out there.
And I also think another strength that we bring is our communication and empathy. The insurance industry is built on relationships with people. Two key aspects of building a relationship are that strong communication and empathy. Like I said, what don't we add?
I think women need to stick together, and I think you have to surround yourself with successful people. We need to make sure there are pathways that people can follow to help build the women up in this industry.
Right now, help is super hard. So we have big gaps in filling positions. Claims still need to be processed.
There's a few very important ways to overcome the Great Retirement. One of those is AI, but I don't think it's the sole solution because it's not something we can fully trust, and a human does need to be behind it.
The people part and the underwriting part and the claims part, it will take people.
Having virtual staff that covers the 24/7 realm gives you a service level advantage against your competitors.
They're handling a lot of the back end work that if you free that capacity up, we're able to do other things.
Making sure that we're using insured virtual assistants that are with a company that's based here in the US that may be sourcing people from other countries, but are making sure the proper security is in place, that they are getting background checks, and you actually have someone that's not going to ghost you in 3 weeks.
There's not a lot of the youth going, hey, I think I want to start a business and be an owner, because insurance is definitely not sexy.
It's our job to, I think, really make the insurance industry much more marketable to our younger generation.
I know Grand Canyon University has a great risk management program to get people excited about what insurance can do.
And there's so many aspects of insurance. It doesn't have to be sales, it doesn't have to be service. You can be a nurse in insurance, you can do claims.
It's limitless. It's not just to selling an insurance policy. You have so many different types of opportunities within the industry, but people just don't know how much there is.
We will make insurance sexy.